Hi everyone, welcome to Glitch Guru. In today's video, we'll show you what to do if your iPhone is sending green messages instead of blue iMessage. To fix this, start by opening the Settings app. Scroll all the way down to tap on Apps. In this menu, locate Messages on the list. Then, tap on it. Here, ensure that iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Next, tap on the Send and Receive menu. Check that all the options are selected. Keep in mind that these iMessage settings must also be enabled on the recipient's device. If you're facing the green message issue with a specific contact, the problem might be on their iPhone. If your messages still appear green, return to the Messages app settings. Disable the Send as Text message toggle and then re-enable it. Don't worry, this setting ensures that your messages are sent as SMS only when iMessage is unavailable. If the issue persists, check your internet connection is working properly and try restarting your iPhone. If the internet is working fine, you can check for any pending software updates on your iPhone by heading to the General menu. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe.